Nepal, a country that has leaped forward in its global standing in the last decade, willing to embrace the flow of FDI into key productive sectors and the growth of a promising entrepreneur class of men and women. With a rising middle class and a desire to embrace economic growth, Nepal's climate has enabled FDI into key growth sectors of the economy as well. Its strategic positioning between two distinct global markets will place it in a good stead moving forward as the country develops. The Dolma Impact Fund story is one that was born during this period. Starting in 2012, Dolma emerged on the scene with ambitions to raise the first international private equity fund dedicated to Nepal. Britain's Department for International Development were an instrumental partner for the Dolma family when they decided to back the concept of a private equity fund in our nascent fundraising days. In 2012, DFID Nepal approved a grant that enabled our team to turn a concept on paper into a commercial venture that went on to raise $36.6 million on its final close. Since its first close, Dolma has committed to invest in 9 companies. Out of the 9 companies, Dolma has invested in 4 renewable sector, 2 in healthcare sector, and 3 in technology sector. Dolma's first investment was in Surikola Hydropower. Surikola Hydro is a 6.4 megawatt hydro company located in Dolakha district. Swetganga Hydropower is a 28.1 megawatt hydropower project which is located in Ramecha. Swetganga was able to perform a non-recourse financing in the country. Solar Farm is a 5 megawatt photovoltaic plant which will be the first on-grid solar power project to secure a solar PPA with the NEA and is on course to be the first IPP in the country, projected to be online by the end of this year. First Solar Developers is an 8 megawatt solar project located in Kapilvastu. It is one of the few projects selected for ADB's viability gap funding and is projected to be online by the first quarter of 2020. Moving on to the healthcare sector, Dolma has invested in a pharmaceutical company and a hospital. Rhododendron Biotech is the only pharmaceutical company that produces hemodialysis fluid and is the only producer of critical life-saving drugs for kidney patients. Dolma invested in the first of its kind hybrid investment structure like convertible preference shares through FDI. Nidan Hospital, a multiple specialty hospital located in Pulchok, was established in 2013 to provide quality healthcare and service at affordable price. The hospital has a capacity of 55 beds and has plans to scale up to 100-bed hospital. On the IT sector, Dolma has invested in Cloud Factory Holdings, Sastodil and Fuse Machine. Cloud Factory's parent company is located in the UK and the subsidiary companies are located in Nepal, Kenya and the United States. It is a data processing company and it has created more than 3,500 jobs. Sastodil is an e-commerce company that started in 2011 with young entrepreneurs and it is the strong number 2 player in the market with a GMV growth rate of 280% year-on-year. Fuse Machines trains and educates engineers to be prominent in artificial intelligence via AI fellowship and scholarship programs in collaboration with Columbia University. Fuse Machines is launching AI centers in Nepal as well as different parts of the globe that teaches machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, and natural language processing. The last 5 years have been a tremendous journey for Dolma Impact Fund. Our portfolio companies have created more than 5,000 jobs, support import substitution, and continue to provide opportunities for Nepalis within Nepal. We would like to thank our investors, the government regulators, the Department of Industry, Nepal Rashtra Bank, commercial and development banks, donors, and advisors towards Dolma's achievements to date. With the continuous support which Dolma has received, we are able to empower the SMEs, the private sector, national entrepreneurs, and drive growth and prosperity in Nepal.